What's up, everyone? Working on the van again. We actually have done a few things before we last updated you guys. I'm working on the bed kind of frame right now, mostly because I started working on the electric stuff, and I need to build the electric cabinet underneath the bed frame, so I've been doing the bed frame. But a couple things we've done so far. If you look over here, we got us an event fan, so that's pretty cool. It's gonna rain tonight, so we'll find out what happens. Hopefully it's sealed off good and we don't get any water in here. That's the plan. And then other than that, ran some wire. The rest of the wire that's not in complicated, that is in complicated places. The easy ones that are over in the front aren't ran. Started messing with the electric, which we'll show you in more detail, the electric stuff when it comes. But for now, we're getting this bed frame built, and in doing so, realize that these holes right here aren't 100% even. And the way that this bed frame is going to work is it's going to rest on top of there and be bolted down because we're going to have some shelves built on top. So it needs to be level is the moral of the story. So I'm actually going to take it off and then kind of adjust the holes on a new board to make it more level. And hopefully it goes well this time around. But hopefully we can finish at least the bottom part of the bed frame tonight for this wall. And then the drawer part of the frame is going to come later. It was going to be all in one, but I decided against it because I felt like there was going to be too much pressure on the front of the bed. So that's it. Ready to stop.